Dang, yeah, that flash is probably it.
Doesn't even do nothing.
Just a flash, but you gotta wait.
So fireworks.
I said bang bang like Chief Keef. Man, well, I know you be listening to Chief Keef.
Here we go, guys. That was one firework.
That was one. Tell him, that's just the first one.
That was the first one.
That was just the first one. That's numero uno.
There we go. Boom.
You gotta get out there. So you can see it. You're in the lead, bro.
All up in there. A whole cloud. There we go, another one. Here goes another one, guys. Okay, guys. 4th of July. Not New Year's, 4th of July.
Yo, D, what's your password? Your Wi-Fi.
Lightning.
I think that shit.
This is going good. Dang, Dad, you look like a freaking shadow.
You need the flashlight on, man. I got it.
I have my flashlight on. Come on, light a firework. Come on. Fireworks.
Oh, wow.
I know.
The lightning and the fireworks.
Here we go, guys.
Oh, my God, my poor ear.
Another one, lightning 2. That's God's firework. Her lightning again.
I got that shit. Good.
Look at that airplane. Oh no, you guys can't see. Another piece of lightning. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I'm putting in the air. Here we go, guys. That one was a bomb.
Hey, long way, Pete.
Dad, say hello, YouTube.
What up, YouTube? They coming right now again.
Say hello, YouTube. Alani, say hello, YouTube. Say hello, YouTube.
Hey, yeah, why you got that all in my face, bro?
Say hello, YouTube. Say hello, YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
I just couldn't.
Say hello,
I wasn't
YouTube.
active. I was National Guard.
Say hello, YouTube.
What up? What up?
Say hello. Okay, another one. Lightning 2. Dang, what was that? That didn't do anything. God's firework again.
Well, yo, move out of my way.
Here we go, guys.
Yo, we live right now out here in Seminole County. I got Danny blowing it up.
Here we go, here we go.
There you go.
In the air, in the air.
Bang,
Boom. Pop.
bang,
Why is that one burning so slow? Look. Damn, why is that
boom,
Dang, what was that?
bang.
Another one.
burning too slow in there?
Oh, here we go.
You got burned.
Ah!
Hitting it up.
Ow!
Yo, they're all shining. That's not gonna last.
Man, you see how hard I was going?
Yeah, but theirs was like over shining.
Time to zoom back out.
Put on flash.
I got my flash. Alani, you are not flawless. I want to go closer. Okay, guys, better watch out.
There we go.
Boom! Lightning 2, God's firework. Finna storm. Like, dang.
I'm live right now. Nobody can see.
But it's all they gotta do is hear us.
I'm right, yo.
It's dark. They know what we look like. For all of you guys don't know, Jamie, Danny, Daniel, Alani, Malachi, Khalid,
Yeah, we all
myself, my sister wants
Another video going up. This firework gonna go good. Dang, those fireworks suck.
ready?
Oh yeah, that sound like me farting when I wake up. Here we go. Bah! Another firework. On 4th of July 2016. This video just came out 4th of July 2016. Dang, I sound like my fart too. That was my fart.
I feel rain.
God's lightning.
That was lightning, baby.
She's probably gonna be like, hi! It's raining. You guys better hurry up.
Get under the tree.
That's not gonna help. What is that gonna do, Rob?
It stops the rain.
No, does it?
I know.
Come on, bro. I don't have a Galaxy 7.
Oh man,
I know,
please
ain't got
hurry
no
up.
waterproof.
Jamie just can't light it.
Yo,
Man, here, man.
Make sure.
Man, my shit is a blowtorch, nigga.
No, it's not.
Uh-oh.
Is it windy like that?
It's raining.
What about the rain?
Them drips ain't dropping right on the lighter.
You'll see it in a minute as soon as Jamie stops his lala.
Can you hurry up?
man, that's boo. Come on, hurry up. Oh, here we go.
Hey! How you like that, kid?
Bang, bang. Yeah, was that our last one?
My phone's getting wet over here.
Della, we still doing more. That's our last one.
There's more, bro.
Okay, so we're still going.
We got 5 more.
My team.
Check it out.
Yeah, probably when we get to the apartments, Malachi, in the back, you could see a lot coming because
What's it called? College football. You. My team.
Oh, stop raining.
Hurricanes. Should be still more.
Go.
Oh, dang.
Go.
That was big. They probably 3 more left. Yep, there's 3 more left. Right? After that, I'm gonna make a YouTube video. I'm mad at
now it started really hard again.
My brother-in-law.
It's gonna rain. It's gonna go in and out. You see what we got? We under the marsh.
And it's the sunshine thing.
It's the hanging marsh tree.
I remember. We were on the road trip.
Got it up, we got it up. Where did we?
I remember when we were on the road trip. And we
I hope you guys subscribe to this video. Hope you guys look at my other videos. My mom's phone, so basically just search up Naya Gines. You guys see some videos. And I hope you guys like the videos that you guys see. Minecraft and all that. This video is going on today. Yep, and it's going.
Come under the
Time to go under the tree.
for Snapchat.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, this is YouTube.
Hey, do it.
YouTube Live.
Oh.
One of them has to come out like that.
I thought I knocked down the wrong one.
And what is... Whoa! I to mind the water.
I thought that other one had one in.
10 minutes on the clock. Time to do a lot. Last one, guys.
Oh, you in at the
Lightning. Do it just lightning. There we go.
Hey, last.
Ah! Oh crap!
yeah.
Man, I ain't stopping this. This is for YouTube.
Stepped on my toe.
Holy shit.
Let me take it.
I got one more in the house.
That video was just awesome.
Did it look that small? Uh-huh. Did it really? It looks smaller now. It looks like a doorway. I could have sworn it was
Now that video, guys,
It
hope you guys liked
but
it.
It looks smaller
Fireworks.
right now.
Then you some stupid. You didn't want to watch them.
Maybe.
I'll show you the video. It was a lightning. Then that's for
Like
YouTube.
that wasn't that
Should I
small
win?
last time I was here.
I'll show you the video. But this is the cat,
Oh yeah, that was like huge.
You see?
the house,
But that was a long
TV.
time ago.
Kevin Durant went for the Golden State, boy. Kevin Durant going for the Golden State, boy.
Mom, can I have the phone?
And yeah, I hope you guys like that